The Surface Revolve tool in 3D Coat's modeling workspace is rather straightforward. I am in the close spline draw mode here in the E panel, and I can create splines to use with this tool. So I have already created a curve, and I want to hit the 5 key to go into an orthographic view. You can use these creation modes to create your spline and have 3D Coat revolve around that up to 360 degrees. So I'll hit the 5 key to go into perspective view, and at the top of the tool options panel, I simply want to pick the curve. You could also just select it here from the list menu as well. And you see how that rotated it 360 degrees. You can adjust the angle. You can also have it cap the top or leave it open. Same with the bottom. So I'll go back to the 360 degrees. You can choose the axis you want to apply it to. In this case, I'll stick with the y-axis. And you can adjust the edge rings or edge loops accordingly. Okay. And then if you are happy with the preview, you can simply hit the Apply Mesh button. Okay, it's just that simple. And that's the Surface Revolve tool in 3D Coat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.